29. Now, if you see, I am changing the value from 10 to, let's say, 10,000. If you go back to your sheet, you will see the values got changed. The reference got changed because this is how reference works. It is pointing to that information. It is not just copy pasting the value. No, it is pointing to that information. If you change the information, your reference will also be changed. And it should change always. Is this clear to everyone? We use it all, we already use referencing. This is just the new thing, might be the new thing for others that we are referencing from some other sheet. Tell me if there is any question, any doubt. Anyone? Any doubt?
No.
Okay. Now coming back to some practical example, let's say I am creating a quarterly report. Okay, I am having the data. We can change it from here, either monthly report, or maybe here I'll write, let's say, something like January report, Jan 2024. Okay, so I am creating monthly reports. Now what I can do to create monthly report, data is not available here. My employee data is not available here. My employee data is available in some other workbook, and not only in one workbook. My data is available in different workbook. Total number of employees I'll be getting from reference employee data workbook. Salary information is available in employee salary sheet. Okay, so what you need to do, you just need to make a reference, just a pointer to your information here. How will I do that? First, I'll just open the sheet because I am going to use the easiest way. Just select the data and paste it here. So I'll just open the sheet, reference employee data. Why this is opening this sheet? Wait a minute. Yeah, this sheet. Okay, now I'll just close this one. And I want one more sheet, which is salary information. So I'll open my reference employee salary information. Both the sheet I have opened. Now I'll come back to my reporting sheet, and here I want total number of employees. So I'll just remove this information, and here I want equal to count. Count of the range. Range is not available here. Range is available in my employee data. I'll go to employee data. I'll select the range, come back here and just press enter. We have the value 3000. Now sum of salary paid, or let's say sum of salary is not the correct option. So I'll write average of salary paid in the month January. What is the average salary that we have paid? So we can use the average formula. Average, and then I'll go to the salary worksheet. I'll select the salary range, come back to my sheet, select enter. What is the issue? I cannot see. Okay, do you want to accept? Okay. AVG might not be working. Average, the complete average is working. Average company review. So here I'll select this and remove this. I'll select average. And then where is this review part available? I'll go to employee data. See, let's see if there is my data is available here or not. So wait a minute, I'll just make this sheet like this. I'll go at the top, and there will be one current employee rating, something like that. Is there any company rating available? No, let's assume this is the company rating. Okay, I'll see here, go to my monthly reporting table. I have selected incorrect value. So maybe I'll just remove this and again select the range. Go to my salary, not the salary, sorry, reference data, select the ratings that we have got, come back to the sheet,